In philosophy, logic is the study of the laws and nature of thought, correct reasoning, valid inference and logical truth. It is used to study the structure of arguments and the validity of claims. It is considered a formal science that investigates how conclusions follow from premises in a topic-neutral manner. This means that they are independent from the specific subject matter being discussed. Using logic helps you to think clearly and to construct sound arguments. It also helps you identify and avoid errors in reasoning, known as fallacies. The study of logic overlaps with other fields such as mathematics, computer science, and linguistics. This has become increasingly important in recent years with the study of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Logic can be used to analyze the structure of arguments. In doing so, we can determine whether an argument is valid or invalid. We can also use logic to construct sound arguments that support our claims. Logic can be used to identify fallacies, errors in reasoning. For example, it is an error in reasoning to attack the person making the argument, rather than the argument itself. This is known as an ad hominem fallacy. There are a number of other logical fallacies we will be discussing in other videos. Logic is used to develop new theories in philosophy and other disciplines. It can also be used to defend existing ones. A debate using well-reasoned arguments can help develop new ideas or strengthen existing ideas. There are two primary branches of logic, deductive logic and inductive logic. Let's compare these two types of logic. Deductive logic is concerned with the relationship between premises and conclusions. An argument is deductively valid if and only if it is impossible for the premises to be true and the conclusion to be false. For example, the following argument is deductively valid. Premise 1, all men are mortal. Premise 2, Socrates is a man. Conclusion, therefore, Socrates is mortal. This argument is valid because it is impossible for the premises to be true and the conclusion to be false. If premises 1 and 2 are true, then Socrates must be mortal. Inductive logic is concerned with the relationship between evidence and conclusions. An argument is inductively strong if the evidence makes the conclusion more likely to be true. For example, the following argument is inductively strong. Premise 1, all the swans I have seen are white. Premise 2, there are many swans in the world. Conclusion, therefore, most swans are white. This argument is inductively strong because the evidence, premises 1 and 2, makes the conclusion, most swans are white, more likely to be true. However, it is not deductively valid, because, somewhere in the world, it is possible that there are swans that are not white. This is where the term black swan originated, since people used to consider that the statement was deductively valid. But, when black swans were discovered, it became inductively strong. Each type of logic has its own strengths and weaknesses. Deductive logic is very powerful, but it can only be used to prove certain conclusions. There may not be enough certainty to declare a premise as true. Inductive logic is less powerful, but it can be used to make inferences about the world until the premises are proven false. The different types of logic can be used together to form a more comprehensive understanding of an idea. Deductive logic can be used to prove the validity of an argument. Inductive logic can be used to assess the strength of the evidence. By learning how to use logic, we can improve our thinking and to make our arguments more persuasive. This can be quite helpful in our personal and professional lives. It will enhance your ability to communicate your ideas more effectively by constructing clear and concise arguments. Logic is a foundational discipline for many other areas beyond philosophy, including science and engineering. It is an essential tool for anyone who wants to think critically and to engage in meaningful debate and inquiries on almost any topic. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like if you enjoyed this video and feel free to comment to let us know your thoughts on it.